says here you also want a deleted task to be removed from local storage. For this, you don't need the remove item or clear methods, since you already use splice to remove the deleted task from task data. All you need to do now is save task data to local storage again. Now use set item to save the task data array again, and pass in data as the key and ensure the task data is stringified before saving. Okay, I think we have to write down local storage once more, and then use the method called set item, and within this we pass in data as the first argument. It says here as the key. I don't know why. Explain. It's not entirely clear, but it could mean to use data as the key of certain operation or process. Anyways, and ensure that task data is stringified before saving. So we pass in JSON.stringify as our second argument, and then pass in task data inside JSON.stringify. It works.